Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Putting a hitch on your BMW i4 can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or a picnic at the lake. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let me show you how to complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. Our first step is going to be to remove the underbody panel from the vehicle. It is held in place by 16 bolts. We will use a 10mm socket to remove them. Our next step, we will remove two more underbody panels, one behind each wheel, one on the driver, one on the passenger, by removing 6 10mm fasteners. We're now going to repeat with the underbody panel on the passenger side. There will be 6 more fasteners using the 10mm. For our next step, we are going to remove 2 factory nuts off the bumper beam. For the top nut, you're going to want a swivel with your 18mm socket. When we move to the bottom one, we will remove the swivel. Once you've loosened the nut, you can remove it with your fingers. Now we can remove the nuts on the passenger side bumper beam. We will now use a T60 Torx bit to remove 2 factory bolts from beneath BMW. We are now ready to put the side plates over the bumper beam. The 2 previously removed factory nuts, the bolts will slide through here, and the T60 Torx bit we just removed is going to line up here. The included spacer is going to go between this plate and the BMW's support bracket. Reinsert the T60 Torx bit and loosely tighten. You can now replace the previously removed nuts onto the bumper beam studs. To raise the hitch into place, I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, we recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is heavy. Your hardware kit is going to include 6 half-inch bolts, 3 for each side, flange nuts, flat washers, and lock washers. Lock washer goes on first, flat washer second. It will then get inserted through the side plate. Once the bolt is through, make sure the teeth on the flange nut are against the plate. Make sure to pass the bolt from the inside of the vehicle to the outside of the vehicle. Now we're going to torque the side plate bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. This Eco hitch has a receiver that is bolted in. Ours came out of the box bolted in and likely torqued to specifications, but it does state that every time you tow with this vehicle, you should check the specifications on the bolt and make sure it's torqued. We are now going to trim a section from the underbody panel in order for the receiver to come out the bottom. It is 6.5 inches by 6.5 inch square. And you'll see this line, we're gonna straight line up here just a couple of 2 inches to the edge of this line. And from your 6 inch to here, it's a straight 45-degree line. This is gonna give you access to put the pin in the receiver. We are now ready to put back all our underbody panels in their original positions. Now that our hitch is installed, we have pulled the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. The distance from the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 5 inches. The distance from the ground to the top of the receiver is 11 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.